Here's my aunt's 1989 Carrier condensing unit. It's a 2.5 ton. Has a, I think it's Bristol reciprocating compressor. It is matched up with a gas furnace, a Carrier gas furnace from 1995. It's a 92% efficient, ironically. And it's from 95. That was high end in the day. My aunt never had a problem with both of them, never replaced the units. These were both here when she moved in, both the furnace and the AC unit. When she moved in 03, a few years ago I redid the armor flex on her line sets. You can't read that. Dumb thing never focuses. I'm thinking about getting a new camera, probably a Canon FS300 camcorder, but not for sure. I just would like to, but you know, you know how it is. Parents aren't all for that. There's the gas or the electric meter. That's spinning kind of fast. Not terribly fast. Yeah, single phase fix single phase R22 3.62 pounds. 208 out of 230 volts. 253 permissible voltage max and 18 minimum, so that's an average powered unit. Oh, I better close the gate. Yeah, here's the back of the house. It's not that big. There's the top of the unit. Over here is a Cumberland air conditioner. There's the Carrier gas furnace's flue pipe. 95 Carrier. Oh, and you also heard her Kenmore gas dryer running. Or electric dryer, I'm sorry. Yep. House over there has window units matched up with the gas furnace. And this house is from the 20s, so this is obviously this is the first central AC system, I think. Yep, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, comment, rate, all that good stuff. Yep, thanks guys, over and out.